This is the Realme Pad, a tablet that is centered on getting the most value for your money. At first glance, it has a sleek design, a clutter-free interface, and a large enough display. But is the reality of using it just as promising? I'm Angie for GS Marina, and this is our review of the Realme Pad. Though the Realme Pad is a budget device, it does not have a budget design. The aluminum unibody is elegant and it's lightweight, has great grip, and it has excellent weight distribution. The brushed finish doesn't collect smudges and it comes in either gold or gray. The back is perfectly flat too, which we really appreciate on a tablet. Unfortunately, it doesn't support pressure-sensitive stylus input unlike more expensive competitors. On the front, the screen is covered by flat tempered glass and has standard-looking bezels for a tablet. It's a 10.4-inch IPS LCD with a good pixel density of 224 ppi and a 5:3 aspect ratio. We measured 454 nits of max brightness on it when we were using the auto mode, and we found that it has good black levels and excellent contrast. Colors were lively, though there's an obvious blue tint across white and gray shades. The screen comes with Widevine L1 support, so you can enjoy Full HD content. On the top of the tablet, you'll find a power key, while on the bottom you'll find a headphone jack next to the USB-C port. On the sides, you'll see 4 symmetrical speakers that support Dolby Atmos. The speakers got an excellent score on our loudness test. Quality-wise, the Realme Pad could have better low notes, and the high tones aren't quite as good as on the Mi Pad 5s. Overall though, we thought it sounded nice. The Realme Pad comes with 32GB or 64GB of base storage. And there's a hybrid card slot for extra storage on the side. It offers optional LTE connectivity, which isn't something that you'll find on all tablets. The 7100 mAh battery performed well, though it's not the largest we've seen. We got 12 hours 42 minutes on our web browsing test and 10 hours 24 minutes on our video playback test. The tablet supports 18-watt fast charging, and it refills 23% of the battery in half an hour and needs 2 hours and 55 minutes for a full charge. While that's painfully slow in comparison to most phones, that's around average for a tablet. The Pad has Android 11 with Realme UI for Pad on top. It looks almost like stock Android, and you'll find no themes, Realme apps, or deep customizations here. It's clean and works well, and we think that one of the reasons it's so minimalistic is because of Realme's choice of chipset. There's an app drawer, an easy-to-use task switcher, and a basic dark mode, though it has no different shades of gray like regular Realme UI. The Realme Pad has the Helio G80 chipset and 3 or 4 gigs of RAM. It performs okay for a budget tablet, but you shouldn't expect any miracles here. Day-to-day, the Realme Pad offers a mostly smooth UI experience, but while gaming is doable, it's not that enjoyable. This is a tablet for those who want to watch videos on it, take some video calls, and work with the occasional Office app. On the back, you'll find a single 8-megapixel camera. During the day, photos are alright. They have no noise and have good colors, contrast, and dynamic range. They had average detail and weren't as sharp as we would have liked. In low light, there's no night mode or HDR to take advantage of. Photos were okay, and though they were noisy, the color saturation is great, there's good contrast, and there was enough detail. On the front, there is another 8-megapixel camera. Selfies look natural and have good colors, contrast, and low noise. If the light is good, photos come out sharp and detailed. In other lighting conditions, photos were much softer. Both the front and rear cameras capture video up to 1080p at 30 fps. Videos are good, and they have slightly above average detail, good colors, and low noise. The dynamic range was good too. Overall, the Realme Pad is a great budget tablet. It has a very good screen for movies, great speakers, and it has a chipset that will handle most day-to-day tasks. It even has a front camera for video calls. Now, don't expect any miracles here though, because if you're looking for a powerhouse of a tablet, well, this is not it, and there's a lot of really good options out there that will better suit your needs. But if you want a good tablet for basic media consumption, for those days where you just want to lounge around on the couch, well, we definitely recommend this one. Thank you for watching everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time.